Students, welcome to the accountancy video classes. In this video, we are going to start with the third chapter of your syllabus. First chapter was what? The not-for-profit organization. Then the next chapter was the partnership form, the basic concepts. Okay, so in the partnership form basic concepts, we discussed like what is a partnership, and is the partnership registration is compulsory or not, if it is registered what all the provisions, if it is not registered what to follow, then how to calculate the interest on a capital, how to calculate the interest on a drawings, then how to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account, and also we discussed calculation of a commission, that is interest on a commission. Then the next we understood that preparation of a profit and loss appropriation account when there is a guaranteed profit for a partner. Then the next we discussed about the past adjustments, that is after prepared final accounts we will be getting to know that we forgot something, we omitted some transactions, so how to rectify that error, that we discussed. So all those bulk together we can say that basic concepts of the partnership firm. Now, once we understood the basic concept of a partnership firm, then the next we have to understand, that is what? Reconstruction of a partnership firm. Reconstruction means again the existed partner will be, or existed partnership firm will be reconstructed with some changes. The running partnership firm, already existed partnership firm, it is running properly. Now at that time we have to reconstruct it. Reconstruct it means we have to do some changes, that is what? Reconstructions. There are 4 chances, or there are 4 cases where the existed partner can be reconstructed. That is, the first case may be admission of a partner. The first case is what? Admission of a new partner. Then second case may be change in profit and loss sharing ratio. Profit and loss sharing ratio. If a new partner admit to a firm, then the partnership firm should be reconstructed. Then if there is changes in the profit and loss sharing ratio among the partners, then the partnership firm has to reconstruct. Third chances may be retirement. If any partner who want to get retire, then again the partnership firm has to reconstruct. Then the fourth chances may be death of a partner. If any existed partner died, then that existed partnership firm has to be reconstructed. These are all the 4 cases where the existed partnership firm should reconstruct. Clear? Now let us see what is admission of a partner. Assume that there are 2 partners called A and B. Already the partnership firm is existed with the partners A and B, they are running successfully. Now they wanted to admit a new partner. See, before admitting the new partner, they were sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 2:1. They are sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 2:1. Now they wanted C as a new partner. They wanted C to admit. Now how many partners it has become? A, B and C. Earlier there were 2 partners. They admitted C as a new partner. Now profit and loss sharing ratio also will changes. What was earlier? 2:1. Now 2:1:1. Assume that A and B decided to share the profit and loss with the C as a 1/4. Now the profit and loss sharing ratio is what? 2:1:1. Is it clear? So this is what? Admission. Next we have the changes in the profit and loss sharing ratio. Just continue the same example. There are three partners who are sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 2:1:1. 2:1:1. Now, C has contributed the more capital. C has giving a more capital. Now, C is expecting that 2:1:2. 2:1:2. Earlier, out of 4, 1 part is giving to the C. Now, out of 5, 2 part is giving to the C. When there is a changes in the profit and the loss sharing ratio, that time again the partnership firm has to reconstruct. Is it clear? Now, there is a third chance, retirement. If any existed partner get retired, then how the partnership firm has to run? It means that, assume that existed partners, there are 3 existed partners A, B, C who are sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of 2:1:1. In this, C wanted to retire. After C gets retired, how many partners becomes now? A and B. On basis of which ratio these A and B has to share the profit and the loss? That is what? Retirement. And the last one we do have is death. Clear? So, all these 4 cases where the partnership firm has to be reconstructed. There are 4 cases. First is what? Admission. If any partner admitting as a new partner, then when there is a changes in the profit and loss sharing ratio, then when there is a retirement of a partner, or when there is a death of a partner. These are all the 4 cases where the partnership firm has to reconstruct. In the further classes, we are going to start with the admission of a partner. Clear? So, meanwhile, I hope that you will clear with all those concepts. The not-for-profit organization, then you are clear with the partnership firm basic concept, and now we are going to start with the admission of a new partner. Clear? Thank you, students.